So, I don't know what kind of lock this is. It has a horseshoe on it. It's one of the ones from, oh geez, it's one of the ones from Lady Locks. So, multi-pick tension tool, multi-pick dimple plug. Try not to mess up the camera. 1, 2, that's on 3 or 4. Maybe something like 5 or. Alright. So starting back from the beginning. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. So maybe 1, 2, 3, 4. Two, 3. This thing only has standard pins in it, but it just does something weird. There we go. 1 and it's open. It's almost like I'm oversetting something and I have to let off, reset, then overset, and let off. But that is the horseshoe lock from Lady Locks.